To set a single temperature for the vehicle in the 3-zone automatic climate control system, first turn the ignition on, then press the Auto button. If multiple temperatures are displayed, press the Sync button. The button will illuminate and all zones will be synchronized. The climate control system will start up and automatically adjust the fan speed, air vent selection, and air source, outside or recirculate, to help reach and maintain the set temperature. To raise or lower the temperature setting for the entire vehicle, turn the driver's side temperature knob. To set a different temperature for the front seat passenger, adjust the passenger temp knob. The sync indicator will turn off. To set a different temperature for the rear seats, press the rear button and use the rear temp arrows to set that temperature. Pressing the Sync button on the front center console will once again transfer all control back to the front and set a single temperature for the entire vehicle. You can also manually adjust fan speed, vent mode, and air source. The front and rear defoggers are activated manually as well.